Hello friends. Now to solve this expression, we use the BODMAS or PEMDAS rule, which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for orders. We square roots, cube roots and exponent also solve. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. But we solve the common wrong answers which ignore the students, ignoring the exponents or the specific grouping. Some might calculate 18 divided by 3 is equal to 27. So this is the first and the second step they do. It will be 7 to 9 and this leads to a result 7 to 9 plus 32 is equal to 761 and this is the incorrect answer. Now let's study how to solve this expression by the using BODMAS rule. So which dictates the order of operation. Now first we solve the expression according to BODMAS rule, solve the innermost parentheses. Now you can see the innermost parenthesis is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now the expression becomes 81 divided by 3 square and then plus curly bracket 4 multiplied by 8 and then square bracket off. Now the second step, solve the exponents inside the next bracket. Now first we solve 3 square equals to 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9 and the expression becomes 18 divided by 9 square bracket and then plus 4 multiplied by 8. Step, solve the division inside the bracket. Now first we calculate 81 divided by 9 equals to 9 and the expression becomes 9 plus curly bracket 4 multiplied by 8. Now the next step, solve the multiplication inside the curly brackets. Now 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32 and the expression becomes 9 plus 32. Now the final addition inside the square brackets. Now calculate 9 plus 32 is equal to 41 and this is the correct answer. Following the hierarchy, we solve the 3 square first within its a bracket, then divide, then handle the multiplication and final sums to reach the 41. So according to this expression, by using the BODMAS rule, the conclusion says the correct value of this expression is 41. The key to solving such problem is to work from the inside out, always clearing the innermost brackets and the exponents before moving to the outer operation. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.